Alright, Happy New Year. It's been a while since I've done one to camera. Yeah, we're down in Fermoyle Strand today. Just for, I've been thinking about doing this one for a long time. So I can see all the way up behind us there. I need to see clips there, the mountains and stuff. So yeah, I come here tons. I've always wanted to video it. And I've loads of I have so many clips of it, but I never put anything together. And it's always bad weather when I come here. Not bad, but not mountain weather. So I'm filming away and I'm enjoying it, and then it looks like crap. So I think this is like 14 kilometers. It goes from the head here all the way out all the way out to the very end of the split out to the Maharees. It's a fabulous beach, like. When you think the other side of the, what is that in gold? When you think the other side of the peninsula is all the rocks and the cliffs and stuff, the north side of the peninsula then is just all beach. It's fabulous, like. So yeah, we'll go down around here, down around the headland. Take it easy for the first one. So you'd have seen this beach in an awful lot of clips, provided it wasn't cloudy, over the years. If you turn around there, so out the edge there is Brandon Point, way out there, and the big guys up behind us then, the big hump, and that hump I think is Moss Chumpan, and then around to Brandon. You see there's snow up on top of the peaks, just the very tops. I think the next few days is supposed to get snowier, so yeah, that's the, you can see it there actually, that's the Faha Ridge going up into the cloud there. And then when you turn the other way, over behind us here is Beanaskee and Stradbally. So look, just this is an amazing beach. Like, I was here a few days ago, I was just too busy. So yeah, just out with the camera, just mess around for a bit, you know. It's usually for birds I come down there. Down at the headland here, mostly oyster catchers. A few curlews, a few herons the odd time. Sure, it's just nice, it's quiet. But look, we'll go down anyway and give a look. It's a lovely area, you know. So the car park is just up there. You can just about see two cars. Let's see if we can point them out. And the big mountains behind it then. It's been a tour. We've been up him before as well. I'm coming down here then. I don't see any particular name in the map, Count Donovan or something. But I don't think I've ever seen the ocean out so far. There's these rocks. I think I've been on here a good bit, and also I think that going by the tide markings from the last high tide, it was very up as well. So, but anyway, look, this is lovely here, lad. So I've just come around the headland there. I was just looking at an old historical map there, and it said Fermoyle Island, and any of the two maps, east, west, or the OSI maps, just have it a continuous landmass coming out. But the old historical map on Hiiker, it shows Fermoyle Island, so they must have built up the ground between here and over to the rest of the ferry part of the car. That's cool. But yeah, there's they found a midden, which is like all old seashells that people used not gather but dump when they were eating over a long period. So around here somewhere, I can't figure it out. I don't know what I'm looking for, to be honest. But there's just, it's so quiet here. It is lovely, you know. Up there is Clahan in the corner, and across the way there where that yellow farmhouse is, that's Kappa Beach. Then that's another beautiful little beach. Then Brandon Key is down on the other side of that landmass there, and that's Brandon Point. So I suppose oftentimes I come down here to I wouldn't be in the right mood for going walking anyway, but I'd still come down. And I just always come here because you can still look at the mountains. Although I have to say this is probably the calmest I've ever experienced here. Usually there's a wind coming in or going out. Big rocky mess. So that's Mount Brandon, right up there. It's clear now. If somebody knows what how those shells end up like this, they might let me know, because there's 2 or 3 different places around here with just nothing but shells. It is in the middle of all the rocks like that. So the shells are there now and they're all over the place. And before someone says you find shells on a beach, this is a bit excessive. It's not just one or two, like there's hundreds of thousands, millions of them. So, and there's only this kind of patch. Like all up along where we were a while ago, there was nothing. So, yeah, we'll let track back and finish this up. Isn't it just lovely there? My throat is gone, I was a bit sick for the last few weeks. Yeah, so Fermoyle Strand, Fermoyle Beach, this is a fantastic place to come down to just relax. Especially when there was no wind today, even though it was cold, it didn't feel it. If you got this far, you'd have seen it in doing the end of year video for 2024. And geez, I was watching everyone else's end of year videos, I was like, oh God, I should have done something. Here, it just didn't happen. I'm not forced yet. That last one of the sunset, by the time it turned out to be a fantastic day, it was too late to start. So, and for 2025, zero plans and nothing. We'll just see how it goes. Because anytime I make plans and it work. So we'll just go with the flow. But yeah, so 2025, no idea. We'll figure it out as we go ahead, go along. Yeah, sure, could finish up. Thanks again for watching, as always, and sure we'll see you next one. Good luck.